We'll guide you through how to back up Google Photos to an external drive. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's a good idea if you've got important photos in Google Photos, plug your external drive into your computer. I've got it here. You can come into it and go and open up a web browser of your choice. I'll use Chrome and come to Google. Go to the top right and you can press on Google Apps and you can then find Photos. So these will be the Google Photos we're going to go and back up. What we can do is come to the address bar and you want to go and type in takeout.google.com and you can come here. What you then need to do is go and press deselect all, scroll down and find the option for photos. You can then select it, scroll to the bottom and press next step. Select send download link via email, export once and then zip and 2 GB. Press create export. Now go and wait. Be patient. This is one that I've done before, so I'll click the manage button. Then what we can do is go and start the downloads for each part. When they finish downloading, right click on your file explorer and you can open up your downloads or just another file explorer and go to your downloads, go and find them and then drag and drop them onto your external drive.